Morning, Steve Frady in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we have a little bit of a turnaround Tuesday today with prices a little bit higher, beans 7 to 9 cents higher, corn maybe 4 cents higher, and wheat 5 cents higher. Dollars lower and most commodities are higher. The big news this morning is just the recovery that's going on in the Northeast because of Hurricane Sandy. A lot of flooding, a lot of disruption in transportation. New York Stock Exchange is closed for the second day in a row because of weather for the first time since 1888. And so we're kind of watching to see if the volume remains relatively low in trading. This week we're going to start getting some private estimates of the U.S. crop for corn and soybeans. The market will try to assess what's happened since October when USDA gave out their last numbers. Most people are looking for a little bit higher soybean crop, unchanged in the corn crop. World weather, we're still dry in parts of the former Soviet Union. It's too wet in Argentina. There is some dryness that continues in northern Brazil, but there is rain in the forecast for the next 2 weeks, and so we'll be watching that pretty closely. I think the big part of yesterday's big break in beans was the fact that we've got some rains forecasted for northern Brazil. As far as the United States, we remain dry across the southern plains. The 6 to 10 day calls for probably normal to below temps, normal to above rainfall on the east. But out in the western Midwest, maybe we'll see temperatures near normal and below normal rainfall. Again, the focus is on the southern plains winter wheat crop. We might be range bound until we get a little bit further down the road, maybe trying to support $15 beans versus $15.50 on the upside, maybe trying to support, let's say, the $7.25 area in corn versus $7.50, and wheat, maybe we're trying to support maybe the $8.70, $8.60 area versus $9. So fairly quiet trade, watching the Northeast and praying for the people out there, and hope to get back to normal. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM. And have a safe and profitable trading day.
Are you in for something? Sure.